Hi, I'm Elizabeth Hill-Scott from Britpolitics.co.uk. Let's get started. The Wars of the Roses were a series of battles between the competing houses of York and Lancaster for the English crown. Each side laid claim to the throne of England as descendants of King Edward III. The Battle of Bosworth Field was one of the last battles of these wars. It ended with the death of King Richard III, the last Plantagenet king, and began the Tudor dynasty under Henry VII. The battle itself lasted for 2 hours. King Richard's supporters urged him to flee, but Richard wasn't having it. He said, "This day I will die as a king or win." Unfortunately, the result was death, from blows to his head as he was pulled from his horse. The royal army collapsed and ran. 1,000 men died fighting for King Richard, compared to just 100 fighting for Henry Tudor. Richard's body was taken and grimly displayed at Leicester to prove he was dead. Bizarrely, in 2015, his body was discovered buried under a car park. After a process to formally identify him, he was reburied at Leicester Cathedral. Thanks for watching, and if you take a look at Britpolitics.co.uk, you'll find hundreds of resources to help you learn about British politics and history. Plus, I cover writing, revision, motivation and exam tips. There's lots of links in the description below, and you can mostly find me on Instagram at Elizabeth_Britpolitics. Bye for now.